Hey there! Cotton sateen is our best selling bedding material, and it certainly is no surprise. Classic and luxurious, cotton sateen works perfectly in any bedroom. Made by the oldest family run textile mill in Portugal since 1921, our cotton sateen collection is carefully crafted with love that you will see, feel, and touch. Made of 100% long staple cotton and featuring a 4/1 luxurious weave, sateen is the perfect choice for those looking for a buttery smooth feel. Featuring a rich finish with a subtle sheen, cotton sateen offers a substantial feel due to a denser, intricate weave. Perfect year-round, our sateen is extremely breathable. On a technical level, long staple cotton is inherently stronger, resulting in a superbly supple weave that will feel superior in comfort longer. We only use single-ply 80 and 60 yarns, which produce an ultra-breathable, light, and long-lasting fabric. We invite you to connect with our team anytime for more information on cotton sateen. We're always here to help.